KPIT has developed Alexa connector, and we will see how this Alexa device will work, and I will ask question to Alexa for different use cases and Alexa will answer it. We will see some use cases one by one. For example, for business leaders. Okay, so I'll start the Alexa device first. Alexa, open Demo Manager.
Welcome to Oracle EBS Manager Services.
Can you tell me the business KPI?
Reverse journal entry radar 0.98. Expense report error radar 3.86. Customer order fill rate are 0.87. On-time customer order delivery rate are 8.69. Delayed order delivery rate are 8.05.
Alexa,
Customer order.
stop.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
So we'll see another use case for business users. Alexa, open Demo Manager.
Welcome to Oracle EBS Manager Services.
Please provide sales details.
52,212 sales order have been closed. 194 sales order have been booked. 1 sales order have been draft internal rejected. 660 sales order have been cancelled. 185 sales order have been entered. 1 sales order have been offer expired.
Alexa, please provide purchasing details.
Let's have a look at purchase order details for various operating units, and we'll start with PRU Vision Process Industries, US. And details are: approved are 3,917. In process are 1. Next operating unit is Progress Administration. And details are: approved are 5. Next operating unit is Progress Canada. And details are: approved are 1. Next
Alexa,
operating unit.
Stop.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
For functional people like period close and interface health. Alexa, open Demo Manager.
Welcome to Oracle EBS Manager Services.
Any issue while closing periods?
Let's have a look at AP period close details. Unaccounted invoices are 27. Unaccounted invoice distribution lines are 18. AP transactions stuck in OTM interface are 54. AP transactions stuck in interface are 43.
Alexa, stop.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Okay, so we'll go for next use cases for developer like coding standard. Alexa, open Demo Manager.
Welcome to Oracle EBS Manager Services.
Could you please suggest me about coding standard?
Oracle PLSQL Coding Guidelines. This document defines the standards and guidelines that will be used by developers when submitting PL/SQL components. These guidelines will also be used by reviewers to determine whether a component submission meets top coder standards. 2. Standards 2.1 packages and procedures. All PL/SQL functions and procedures will be implemented as part of a package. The package names used will be specified in the component specification. 2.2 Unit testing. All submitted components will include unit tests
Alexa,
written with the...
Please provide progress on the development.
Development status from last week are as follows. 1 index is created. 17 table are created. 2 package body are created. 2 package are created. 2 procedure are created. 2 view are created.
Alexa, suggest me about the R12 compliance.
Following are the R12 compliance guidelines. Internal, apps_me object must not also exist in apps. Internal, column type must be a built-in type or non-addition user-defined type. Apps object names must end with alphanumeric character. Base column name must be unique within 28 bytes. Column name and table that
Alexa,
will be upgraded with it.
Stop.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Use cases for DBA. Alexa, open Demo Manager.
Welcome to Oracle EBS Manager Services.
Is the instance available?
Production instance is up and running. Unix box is up and running. OAth server is down. Workflow engine up and running. Database is up and connected.
Alexa, I would like to know about the health of an instance.
Instance health status are as follows. 1 invalid Java class. 1 invalid Java source. 1 invalid type. 123 invalid procedure. 14 invalid package. 2 invalid materialized view.
Alexa,
206.
stop.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Some use cases for AMS purpose. Alexa, open Demo Manager.
Welcome to Oracle EBS Manager Services.
Can you assist me to resolve an issue?
Which module? We have resolution for purchasing, finance and sales module.
Finance.
How to resolve accounting posting issues. Solutions. Check the purchasing, payables and GL periods and open them. How to resolve intercompany balancing issues. Solutions. Define intercompany balance account in primary ledger or check the intercompany accounting rules defined for the correct company or not.
Alexa, stop.
There was a problem with the requested skills response.
This is all about Alexa. Thank you.